okay with doing anything. With actors, you can be a different person every day. I think that's the best thing about my job. Dharamji is one of the coolest people I've met. He's so charming and he's just the coolest. My mom loved him, I loved him. I guess my kids will love him too, so.
The sound is deafening out here. We are in Chennai at the semi-finals of CCL between Mumbai Heroes and Karnataka Bulldozers. We have with us Madhuri Bhattacharya. You must have seen her in Tinku Jia from Yamla Pakla Divana, the item song that really made a lot of news last year. Pleasure having you on Bollywood Hungama.
Yes, super to be here.
I was seeing Bobby Deol over there, and you have done a Tinku Jia with him, and he's in Mumbai Heroes. आप उनके खिलाफ आप perform कर रहे हैं?
नहीं मतलब खिलाफ तो नहीं हूँ exactly, but ऐसा है कि home is where the heart is. My home, my parents, everything is in Bangalore, so they come first.
Tell us something about Tinku Jia, because the song happened, it became quite a rage, but we did not hear much about you after that, because I think you're not based in Mumbai per se. Were you offered more item songs or acting assignments?
See, I think an item song is something which has to be very carefully selected. You can't do an item song in just any film. Here there was a legend, which was Dharmender ji, and there was Bobby Deol as well. So, and there was Caesar, the choreographer. It was a very good team, which is why, and the writer of the film was a friend of mine, which is why I agreed to do it. I'm not so much into the whole item thing. Initially I wasn't, but after I did the song I realized what a big reach these songs actually have.
It was quite a dhamaka in fact.
Yeah, I mean I had gone to London, I remember, with my mum, and people in fish and chips shops, they were Sardajis were saying, "Aap Tinku Jia ho na," and stuff like that. So I was like, my God, good, I did it.
Tell us something about your forthcoming plans in Bollywood. You're doing more stuff?
Right now I'm doing a Kannada, Tamil and Telugu film, which is the first film that has been invited by the Berlin Film Festival from Karnataka. So I'm very excited about that. 2 days later we leave for Berlin.
What is the name?
It's called Prasad. It's the story of a deaf and dumb child and his struggle to become, you know, like a super kid, and it's a very beautiful film. It's very close to my heart. So right now I'm just concentrating on promoting it because I think this is one of the best films I'll ever do. I'm
sure that after Tinku Jia, you must have got offers from Bollywood. So did you take up anything seriously? And it's been almost a year. We haven't heard about you post Tinku Jia.
See, that's because I've been doing a lot of work in the South. Initially, see, when you get to Bombay, it's a little difficult when you don't know too many people. So since I knew the writer and since I knew the choreographer, I got that song. But it's a little difficult to network. So they say na bana banaya ghar pe, so you know, it's just like I've been going back and forth. And every time I go to Bombay, somebody calls me from Bangalore for something really good, and then I come back here and then I go back there. And it's just, you know. But once I finish with Prasad, definitely I will be looking at Bollywood.
Tell us what all you have done in South that people in Mumbai can get to know.
I have done 3 films. I've done a film called Khushi, Bisi Bisi, and I've done Sonu Nigam's launch video, which was the highest selling video of last year. And so I keep working in the South and Prasad now.
So what are the sort of filmmakers and what are the sort of stuff that you like to do? You like to do more item songs, or you like to do more performance-oriented roles as well? What is it that you're looking for?
See, I'm okay with doing anything. With actors, you can be a different person every day. I think that's the best thing about my job. You can live so many people's lives in one lifetime. And I think anything that's challenging, if it's a song, if it's a... Oh, in this film I play the mother of a small child. So from Tinku Jia straight to the mother of a small child was quite... Even the child wouldn't believe that I'm the same girl who was in Tinku Jia once I got into my sari. So yeah, anything.
You'll regret once he gets older.
I'm sure.
Finally, what do you think of the experience of working with Dharmender Saab? He's a legend. Sunny Deol is a huge star as well. Bobby has a lot of experience as well. But Dharamji, I think it's a altogether different experience.
Absolutely. I think Dharamji is one of the coolest people I've met. He's so charming and he's just the coolest. I used to just keep looking at him because he's just so cool, you know. My mom loved him, I loved him. I guess my kids will love him too, so.
Great. Thank you very much and enjoy the fun.
Thank you very much.